Hey guys, unboxed Christmas Labubus with me. Bye. Hopefully I get the secret and open people's gift.
And from Granny. People and Granny.
There's a Labubu pen.
A whole box? No. Oh, it's huge.
Why is it so big?
Oh my goodness.
Dude, that's really cute.
Oh, that is cute.
A little it has like little keychains in it. I'm scared to see what this is.
What is that one?
Oh, I know what it is. It's the new Barbie ornament.
Which one is it?
It's the new Barbie ornament that came out this year.
Oh, let me see. So pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Open that bad boy up.
I want sea salt coconut really bad.
Here.
This is like, it has a layer on it. That's really.
Tear it open.
I can't. It has like a rubber layer on it.
Okay.
Open it. Ugh.
Tear it open like you want in there.
I think it.
Oh, I see. Hold on.
It's probably taped.
Yeah, it's taped. Here you go. Oh my goodness. Don't tear it.
Not, you can rip it off. Not because my eyes don't fit.
Okay.
One for the back one. Okay, I really want toffee. That one or that one?
Oh my goodness.
That means it's real.
Don't look, don't cheat, don't cheat.
Oh no. Is it good?
I can't see, I don't know. Ooh.
Oh, it's a pink one. It's a pink one.
What is that one's name?
Lychee berry.
What a cool name. You're gonna open all of them?
Yeah.
Okay, it's like a mini unboxing.
Where's the pill? I want to see what the card is. Yes, yes, yes.
Which one's that one?
It's the, I think it's the, I can't think of his name. It's like a gray. It's really pretty.
Ooh, that one is pretty. I like that one.
Yeah, which one?
Okay.
Yeah, it's the blue. But I don't know if it's the blue or the gray. Where's the pill? It's fun.
So that's your favorite part?
Yeah. I'm scared to take this one. Is it a good one?
Ooh.
I'm gonna guess it's the brown one that yes, yes, yeah.
That one the toffee?
No,
Oh.
it's soy milk.
I like that one too.
Yeah, he's really pretty. You got 3 more.
Okay.
I'll go first. And there's also a secret. I don't really want the secret, but I want I want all the originals. And you get like the full set if you get like all of them.
Yeah.
You get like all of them in a set.
We're running out of room.
Oh, I know which one it is. It's the green one.
Green?
It's like-
I haven't even seen that one.
It's the lime green. It's really pretty.
What's that one's name? The lime green?
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
That is
It's fine. We'll pick it up in a minute.
I'm just going to break the box, but
Ooh.
So it's either going to be.
Is there 2 green ones? Or is it like a yellow?
I don't know. So it's either going to be this one or the blue one. I don't know.
The blue one's pretty too.
I don't know if that one's that one or.
Oh. Yeah, because it could be blue or gray.
Yeah, because
Hard to
I've
tell.
heard people say it's like gray, but it's also blue. Is that a good one? Oh, yes, this is the one I mostly wanted.
Is that toffee?
Yes, this is toffee.
That one's pretty.
Okay, so last box.
Oh, that's fine. We'll get in a minute. Drum roll.
It could either be the secret or like. Start going with this. Wait, is it the secret? I got the secret.
How do you know? Hurry, open it.
I just saw it. I got the
Is
secret.
that the secret or the brown?
No, I got the secret. Yes, I got the secret.
Well, let's see the box. How do we know?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it fell on the floor somewhere.
Oh, there were 6 in the box.
I think it was this one. I got the secret. Because it has like macaroni.
Oh,
and the other one
cool.
don't. I've heard people say they keep buying boxes and they're like, I can get the secret.
You got a secret. Hold it up.
It's like a dark brown.
Love it.